Hello everyone, I'm at toolsforeducators.com and I'm gonna make a board game about animals because it turned out it's the only team we actually know. So at first I'm gonna go on race to the finish with these cute animals and create game board. So before I start to choose the pictures, I'm gonna put in the text. For example, hop 5 times. I prepared. Clap 8 times. And the last one was what? I don't remember, so let it be sing a song. Skylight suggested. And now the animals. This is gonna be a long way, but still. We don't know a lot, but we do know some. That's why I just go the alphabetical order. And I think it's gonna be a lot of fun for my kids. Donkey. They say donkey. Okay. Let's make it zebra actually. Elephant. And fish. And fox. And frog. Okay, and then make it. Great. Oh, I love it. That's cute. Look at the fox and the fish. Now I need to print it and save as PDF. And the name is Animals. No, Russian keyboard. Animals. Yes, let's make it Animals Camp. It's already. No, I'm not gonna replace it. No scan then. Just Animals. Okay, done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.